dito, hindi niya ba alam, oh? Bukas yung kanyang ano. Oh my God, ito na accident yan. Bukas yung trailer niya, hindi niya alam. Guys, andito tayo sa I-55 going to Chicago. His trailer is open. This guy don't know. Kailangan may magsabi sa kanya, huminto siya. You didn't even realize it. Yan, siguro may kailangan sabihan yan. You have to tell.